In today's video, I'm going to show you how to open your Ionos email in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're new to Ionos or just need a quick refresher, I'll guide you step by step so you can access your emails smoothly and efficiently. First, open your preferred web browser such as Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. Then, type the Ionos website address into the address bar and press Enter. This will take you to the home page. Once you're on the home page, look for the Sign In button at the top right corner and click on it. It's usually easy to spot and may include a small icon like a person or a lock. After clicking Sign In, you'll be taken to the login page. Here, enter your webmail email address or customer ID in the first field. Then, type your password in the next field. Be careful when entering your password since it is case sensitive, and small mistakes can prevent you from logging in. If your login doesn't work the first time, double-check your details and try again. Take your time to make sure everything is entered correctly. Once you've entered your email and password, click the Sign In button or press Enter on your keyboard. This will log you into your account dashboard. From the dashboard, navigate to the Email section. It's usually visible or easy to find through the menu. Click on it to open your inbox where you can read, send, and manage your emails. If you want to save time in the future, consider bookmarking the login page in your browser so you can access it quickly whenever you need it. That's it. You've successfully opened your Ionos email. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful tutorials to make using your digital tools easier.